The new Porsche Panamera models, in addition to the Sport Saloon, they can also be ordered as Sport Turismo or Executive with lengthened wheelbase, depending on the drive system, are now equipped from the factory with the previously optional sport design front end with striking air intake grills, large side cooling openings and a single bar front light module. The completely new front end of the Panamera Turbo S is differentiated by the larger side air intakes and newly designed elements in the exterior color, which are connected horizontally and thus emphasize the width of the vehicle. The light modules of the dual turbo front lights are now set much further apart. The revamped light strip at the rear now runs seamlessly over the luggage compartment lid with an adapted contour. It thus provides a continuous and flowing connection between the two newly designed LED tail light clusters. GTS models sport the new darkened exclusive design tail light clusters as standard with dynamic coming/leaving home function. 3 new 20 and 21-inch wheels have been added to the wheel range, so that a total of 10 different designs are now available. The new Porsche Panamera is available to order now and will be in dealerships in the middle of October 2019. In Germany, prices start at €91,345 for the rear-wheel drive Panamera. All other models come with all-wheel drive. Prices start from €95,289 for the Panamera 4, from €126,841 for the Panamera 4Z Hybrid, from €136,933 for the Panamera GTS and from €179,737 for the Panamera Turbo S, in each case including value-added tax and country-specific